This video will be the exercises for the multiplication of integers. Now let us first recall our rules. If you multiply negative times negative, the answer is positive. If you multiply negative times a positive, the answer is negative. In short, if we're going to multiply unlike signs, that is negative. And if we were going to multiply like signs, that is positive. Now, look at numbers 1 to 10. If you want to try to solve, then you can pause the video. Then if you are done answering, just resume. Let's answer number 1. Negative 3 times negative 4. Negative times negative, so the sign is positive. 3 times 4, positive 12. Number 2. 5 times negative 2 times negative 3. Negative times negative, positive times positive, so the sign is positive. 5 times 2, that is 10, times 3, 30. So positive 30. Next, negative 11 times positive 11. Unlike sign, so the sign is negative. 11 times 11, 121. Number 4. Negative 5 times 1 times 2. Negative 10. Next, 12 times 3 times negative 1. So that is negative 36. For number 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 negatives, so that is even. So this will become positive. So 2 times 3, that is 6 times 2, 12 times 1, so positive 12. Negative 5 times negative 3, negative times negative, that is positive. Times positive, so this is positive. The sign is positive. 5 times 3, 15 times 4, positive 16. Okay? Next, 15 times negative 3. So negative 45. Number 9, 12 times negative 3. Unlike sign, so negative 36. Number 10, unlike sign again, negative 13 times 13, 169. Our rules in multiplication is very simple. Thank you for watching Señor Pablo TV, and I hope you get 10 over 10.